Hello children, I am back. So today in Fun Series with Teacher Vidhi, we are gonna make a paper boat. Alright, so you need a A5 paper and we can get started. So this paper is rectangular in shape. We need to make it into a square. So how we do that is by folding it like this into a triangle, and what remains is this rectangle part and we need to cut that out. So I'm gonna fold it in like this and grab my scissors. When you're using scissors, please be very careful because it can be dangerous. Alright, so what you need to do is cut the rectangle part out like that. Okay, so what you are left with is a square piece of paper. So we need to fold this square paper into half such that it becomes a rectangle, and I'm going to fold it once again so that it becomes a small square. Now let's count the sides together. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So what we're gonna do is the 3 sides, I'm gonna bring it to the front like that, and the one remaining side we're gonna fold it backwards, so just like this. So what you have now is a pocket. So stick your thumb inside like that, such that this comes down and it becomes a diamond. Just try to open this and ta-da! You are done with a paper boat. So how do you play with this is you have to grab a bowl of water, and I'm gonna make the water blue, so I'll add a little bit of food coloring. You can even add paint if you want. So just maybe 1 or 2 drops, making sure I don't add a lot of it. Okay, and then give it a little swirl, mix it in such that it becomes blue, just like the ocean or the sea. Okay, grab your boats and then you're gonna let the boats float around in the water. That's it. It's so simple, right? I hope you enjoy. Bye.